Two-time All-Star Hector Herrera rejoins Dynamo. Mexican soccer star Hector Herrera rejoins Houston Dynamo, signing through 2027. The two-time MLS All-Star, who previously played for the club from 2022 to 24, returns with an impressive resume including stints with Atletico Madrid and FC Porto. He will help lead the Dynamo in the 2026 MLS season, aiming to bring another trophy to Houston. Community partners vow to erase unacceptable behavior across Falkirk. Community leaders in Falkirk vow to eradicate unacceptable behavior, following ongoing protests and counter-protests outside the hotel housing asylum seekers. The focus is on creating a safe, respectful, and inclusive environment for all residents. Inside the SCOTUS hearing bound to be a turning point in the culture war over trans athletes in women's sports. Supreme Court hears landmark case on transgender athletes in women's sports, with attorneys arguing for and against Idaho's law protecting female sports. Discrepancies arise over graduation dates of transgender athlete Lindsay Heckett's. NBA DFS, DraftKings, FanDuel Daily Fantasy Basketball picks for Friday, January 16 include TJ McConnell. NBA DFS, TJ McConnell, Jai Huff among recommended picks for Friday, January 16. McConnell averages 10 points, 4.9 assists in 17.4 minutes. Pacers face New Orleans Pelicans, ranked 28th in scoring defense. Study says shingles vaccine may have a role in preventing or limiting dementia. New study suggests shingles vaccine may reduce risk of dementia by 20% or slow its progression. The vaccine, already available, could potentially aid in both prevention and treatment of dementia if further research supports. Findings: North India continues to battle intense cold. Fog. Delhi gets a little relief. North India grapples with intense cold and fog, with several regions experiencing sub-zero temperatures. Delhi sees a slight respite but remains below normal. The air quality remains poor in the capital, prompting GRAP3 measures. Kashmir also experiences sub-zero temperatures, but temperatures improve slightly. Delhi weather today. Mercury hits 4.3 degrees Celsius at Safdarjung. Dense fog delays multiple flights as IMD issues yellow alert. Delhi experiences a sixth day of cold wave conditions with temperatures dropping to 4.3 degrees Celsius, causing dense fog and flight delays. IMD predicts a rise in temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius in the next 5 days. A yellow alert is issued, while nearby states face orange alerts for fog, cold day, and cold wave conditions. World Championship can happen in Chennai. Anand Viswanathan Anand, Indian chess legend and FIDE vice president, believes that if 20-year-old R. Pragnananda wins the candidates tournament, the World Championship could take place in Chennai against compatriot D. Gukesh. This potential match would be an emotionally charged showdown, according to Anand, who was speaking at the Jaipur Literature Festival. DW VTZG Jadhor K Testen Politiken Germain. German regional elections are underway in several states. The race is tight between CDU, SPD, and AFD. CDU is leading in Baden-Württemberg, a state with a large political influence and a history of producing chancellors. SPD leads in Rhineland-Palatinate, where they have been in power for 35 years. In Berlin, CDU is expected to maintain control. The AFD, a far-right party, is gaining support and could impact the political landscape. Trump threatens tariffs over support for US control of Greenland. US President Trump threatens tariffs on countries if they don't support American control over Greenland, causing tension and disagreement with European leaders and Greenlandic politicians. The White House justification for this move is to prevent China and Russia from gaining control of the island's critical mineral reserves. Uber Eats gives in and will subcontract riders. Uber Eats to hire thousands of riders as employees in Spain after government pressure. Following the lead of Glovo in Just Eat, this change comes in compliance with the rider law, which recognizes these workers as employees. Under European legislation, open black lens bracket dom hua close black lens bracket ikutairika. 28. Do suppinde kara ageni mushaburitsuku www. Jen Takeda. 28. Unexpectedly makes a surprise appearance at a popular restaurant, exciting fans. Fagiano Okayamaga Cerezo Osaka MF Nishikawa Juno Kanzenisekide Kakutokuto Happyo Konkiwa Saganto Sudepure. Fazia no Okamura Mount acquires Cerezo Osaka MF Sequoia in full transfer and announces it. This season, they will play in Sagan Tosu. Happy birthday, Dolly. Here's every Parton album that has topped the Billboard chart, including a few surprises. Legendary country singer Dolly Parton celebrates her 80th birthday with a look back at her 11 number one albums across multiple genres, including a new version of Light of a Clear Blue Morning and a chart-topping bluegrass album, Run, Rose, Run. Pamela Anderson claims Tommy Lee's wife has caused their estrangement. 28 years after divorce. I don't like it. Pamela Anderson claims that the wife of her ex-husband, Tommy Lee, has caused their estrangement. 28 years after their divorce. Anderson made these comments during an appearance on SiriusXM's Radio Andy show. St. Louis Fed US Q4 GDP nowcast estimate 0.069% drop vs previous 0.345% decline. The St. Louis Fed has revised its Q4 GDP nowcast estimate to a 0.069% drop, significantly lower than the previous estimate of 0.345% decline. MSU President talks cars, education, what he said to Pete Buttigieg. MSU President Kevin Buscovich and Pete Buttigieg discussed the future of electric vehicles, education, and research partnerships during the Detroit Auto Show. Buscovich emphasized the global competition in EVs and autonomous systems, while Buttigieg highlighted the need for industry, academia, and government collaboration to lead the transformation of transportation. The unseeded player who could test Jannik Sinner early in the Australian Open. Unseeded Argentine player Sebastian Baez, with a 7-0 record this season, could pose an early challenge to Jannik Sinner at the Australian Open. Having won 7 titles in his career, Baez is showing strong hard-court form after a rough 2025 season. Peace offering. Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado presents Nobel Peace Prize to US President Donald Trump in a bid to sway his support for Venezuela's future. Trump accepts the medal, praising Machado as a wonderful woman. The gesture sparks debate over the re-awarding of the prize and raises questions about Trump's stance on Venezuela's leadership. Horsepower. No confusion over winner of the Peter Maas chase at Haydock. Confusion. A progressive 8-year-old aims for another victory in the Peter Maas chase at Haydock Park, setting up a potential Grand National run. Old Park Star and Nikki Henderson's Old Park Star are top contenders for the Supreme Trial. Rossington Maine Novices Hurdle.